Further, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 261. مَثَلُ الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ كَمَثَلِ حَبَّةٍ أَنبَتَتْ سَبْعَ سَنَابِلَ فِي كُلِّ سُنبُلَةٍ مِّائَةُ حَبَّةٍ وَاللَّهُ يُضَاعِفُ لِمَن يَشَاءُ وَاللَّهُ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ. The example of those who spend in the way of Allah is like a corn, which grows 7 spikes. In each spike is 100 grains. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala multiplies it to whomsoever He wills. So if you spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you give one in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it will be multiplied 700 times. And in business terminology, it is 70,000%. And I'm talking about business because I know that the world is hit with recession. And today in the market, we have ups and downs. 50% profit. Real estate, 200% profit. And everyone goes into it. But when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling 70,000% profit, no one is going into it. Why? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not stop here. He says that He will multiply it to whomsoever He wills. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is comparing all these things with the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His messenger. So if you do not do your job, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Muhammad, chapter number 47, verse number 38, وَإِن تَتَوَلَّوْا يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالَكُمْ. If you do not do your job, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالَكُمْ, and they will not be like you. We have the example of the Jews. They did not follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Jummah, chapter number 62, verse number 5. مَثَلُ الَّذِينَ حُمِّلُوا التَّوْرَاةَ ثُمَّ لَمْ يَحْمِلُوهَا كَمَثَلِ الْحِمَارِ يَحْمِلُ أَسْفَارًا. The example of those who do not follow the Mosaic law. Like as if it carries tons of books, yet it does not understand. And a similar message is mentioned in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 21, verse number 43. That the kingdom of God will be taken away from you and given to those people who shall bear the fruit of it. So even according to the Bible, if you do not do your job, the kingdom of God will be taken away from you and given to someone who's better than you.